I have a whirlpool washer WTW5000DW1 that is not draining a weir sinning. I replaced the slutch unit already and it worked for a few loads. Now it just load clicking sound and on drain and spin starts to rinse and stops.
My name is Woody. I'm sorry to hear that you're having issues. I will do my best to take the information that you provide to me and make a diagnosis for you to be able to repair your own appliance. Please note it takes time to type and add links, so please be patient. I may also be assisting you along with other customers, so there may be a delay in responses. Do not panic, just wait for my reply. Thank you. Note, the website will send you a prompt for a phone call and pop UPS. Those are not from me, so if you do not want me to call you, please ignore IT. Okay, the clicking sound, is it from the splutch assembly that you just replaced, or is it from the shift actuator assembly?
Not sure. I have a video but not sure I can attach it here.
For a video you will need to download it somewhere and send me the link to it.
I am working on video upload for you. I did find a nail stuck between the inner and outer tub and by the drain opening, outer tub, that I removed. I checked pump after removing from machine and it is fine without noise. So would it be then just the shift actuator or splotch assembly, you think? We'll be sending video links soon.
Yes, if it is a clicking noise it will most likely be the splutch slipping or the shift actuator trying to engage. Do you get this clicking when the drive motor is running or when it is not running?
Here is link for video: https://8j8dch XL3HCT0I/201806210underscore 1103226 trim.mp4 ?
Thank you. Looking at it now.
Washer seems to go through all cycles until it gets to spin cycle. Drains and washes fine. But froze on the lock cycle.
Okay, that sounds like the shift actuator trying to engage. Did it make this noise before you replaced the splutch assembly?
Would there be any visible sign of wear on splutch assembly usually? I saw now and one removed.
Okay, I would remove the shift actuator and see if it may be jammed. I suspect the unit is trying to shift into the spin mode and cannot.
Okay, how do I see if jammed? Should it move freely by hand?
Yes, the arm should be able to move freely. And you can remove it, and let it hang still having the wire harness plugged in, and try to start it and see if you do not hear the noise.
Shift actuator removed and machine pump drained and started to spin but still made same noise. Splotch feels tight. With shift access plugged in, arm does not move freely.
Can you feel of the shift actuator when the noise is happening to see if it is from the actuator?
Does not seem from there, but for machine when actuator is hanging loose.
When you hear the noise, is the drive motor also running?
No. Now it is draining and spinning like it is supposed to, I think, after putting things back.
Okay, possibly something was out of alignment, so let run it and see if you have any issue. If you do, just let me know. How does that sound?
https://www.dropbox.com/s/bitch8L8mx0b/201806210_12545.8.mp4?DL=0 different noise as spins now.
Looking/listening now ~. That almost sounds as if you have something in the pump.
We'll check that again, I guess, but off machine it spun free without noise. But we'll check. I guess that is all that can be done now.
Yes, let's check the pump and the hose to and from the pump also.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.